Welcome all of you to my video, the part of my tutorial series Electrical Panel. Today I am presenting the video the relation of current, resistance and voltage. Do you know what is the relationship between current, resistance and voltage? Part 1. Have you ever considered how your phone charges when you plug in into a socket? See how the phone charges when you plug it into a socket. Refer the picture illustrated here. Electrons, electric current and wire, it is mentioned in the drawing. When a charger is plugged in, negatively charged particles called electrons, which are already present inside the wires, start moving in the same net direction. This flow of electrons is what we call electric current. The voltage or electrical pressure pushes these electrons along the wires. Today, you will be able to define current, voltage and resistance. Explain the relationship of current and charge. Calculate for current. Explain the relationship between current, voltage and resistance through Ohm's law to calculate for current. Use Ohm's law to calculate for current, voltage and resistance. Current. Current, it is measured in amps or amperes. The unit of current is A, is the rate of flow of charge in a circuit. This flow is in the form of electrons flowing through a circuit. An ammeter is used to measure current. It is always connected in series with the circuit. It means current is measured in series with the circuit. Calculating current. Electric current is the amount of charge passing through the component per second. The equation expresses this relationship between current, charge and time. It is expressed by the equation. Current, its unit is I, is equal to charge Q divided by time T. Current A is equal to measured in amps or amperes. Charge Q is equal to measured in coulombs. That means C. Time measured in seconds is indicated by T. Calculate the current in an air conditioner unit with a charge of 18,400 coulombs flowing through it every hour. This is for the calculation. So we have to do it in different steps. Step 1. What is the given and missing values in the table? Current A is equal to 0. It is not given. Charge Q is equal to 18,400 coulombs. Time T 1 hour. That means 3600 seconds. These are the details available. Step 2. What formula will be using in this to solve the issue? Current I is equal to charge C divided by time T. This is the formula we have to use. Step 3. Substitute the values. Current I is equal to 18,400 Q divided by 3600 T. This is the figures we have to substitute in the value. Step 4. So we have to solve current I. The question is you have to calculate the current. So current I is equal to 18,400 divided by 3600 is equal to 5.1 ampere. So answer, the current in an air conditioning unit with a charge of 18,400 coulomb flowing through it every hour is 5.1 ampere. So the next one more example for you to try. So can you try this? A current of 4.8 ampere flows through a circuit for 45 seconds. How much electric charge passes through the circuit during this time? So we have to go for some steps. Step 1. So what are the missing values like in the given equation? So you have to find out what are the missing values. Current A is equal to 4.8 ampere. It is already given. Charge Q is equal to nothing. So it is not given. Time T already given 45 seconds. Step 2. Which formula should we use? I current is equal to Q by T. That is Q is equal to I into T. This is the formula we have to use. So we have to solve this steps 3 and 4. Put the values in the correct place and then solve. Q is equal to I into T. This is the formula we have to use. So that means 4.8 ampere into 45 seconds is equal to 216 C. So the charge is coming 216 coulombs. The electric charge that passes through with the circuit is 216 C. I think you already understood what the formula is. So you have to do some exercises like this. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe to this channel to get more tutorial lessons on type. Thank you.